Now, the same meaning, we go for the third line. Now, the intensity still grows higher in the sense of she's more mad to her, angry on the doctor. Yattanai. How many times I've been telling you? Yattanai shonnalum. Two times. Shonnalum teri yaad avarudan yen pinangi konda yuta magale. So now in this third line, where do you find the differences? Here, how many times I have told you? Here. तो मीनिंग तो सेम रहा, लेकिन फर्स्ट लाइन, सेकंड लाइन, थर्ड लाइन जब आप करते हो कंटिन्यूअस, तब आपको पता चलता है कि पहले उसने धीरे से कहा भाई चलो बेटी आ गई वापस करके, ठीक है चलो करके, कितनी बार बोला नहीं समझते हो करके, दूसरी बार थोड़ा और प्रेशर डाल के, और थर्ड टाइम तो शी इज़ लाइक हाउ मेनी टाइम्स आई हैव टू टेल यू, व्हाई डोंट यू लिसन, भेजे में जाता ही नहीं है तुम्हारे, तो मीन्स दैट इज हाउ शी इज लाइक ओ गॉड, दैट इज द टॉप लेवल दैट शी गोज, द मदर. ओके, द रिएक्शन. ओके, 1 2 3. Yattanai shonnalum teri. Now here you will have to sit down. Teri yaad teri yaad teri yaad avarudan. Then get up. Yeah. Ye. No, don't take a step. You just get up and then do it. Ye avarudan. Ye pinam. Take a circle. Maga. Take. Come forward. Le.
Stepping or
Stepping. But it is standing. You don't sit here. Le. The hands they go like this.
okay.
Okay. अच्छा, यहाँ पे भी एक चीज़ है. See, when you go on doing the Abhinaya items, when you first time when you are learning, maybe at that particular time and moment you may not be getting all those ideas कि ये क्यों किया, ये क्यों था, यहाँ बैठना क्यों था, यहाँ खड़े क्यों होना था करके. Slowly with the years and with your own experience, maybe you come to know. That is what I also feel after so many years of my learning this padam and all. That यहाँ पे ना जब वो घूम के जाती है, फिर हम इसको यहाँ पे ये हाथ करके, usually if you see in any Abhinaya items, when this thing comes, it is like बहुत मान सम्मान जब किसी को देना होता है ना, तब जाके हम ये हाथ करते हैं. तो I will ask you a question, why here? Any idea? Why here? Why the mother is using this gesture here? She is talking to her daughter.
But she is Kartikeya's wife.
And she is married. See, in our social thing, जब लड़की शादीशुदा नहीं है तो फाइन, ठीक है चलो, लेकिन जब शादी हो जाती है उसकी, तो जब वो शादी के बाद जब घर आती है तो उसका वो मान सम्मान, उसका एक स्टेटस डिफरेंट होता है ना. So that is how. And another thing, see now this is another point that she is Kartikeya's wife also now. So that way two things will go together and the mother has to give her that importance. You know? Even if she is the daughter, so what? But she has to give the importance क्योंकि वो लड़की मैरिड है, घर पे आई है, शादीशुदा लड़की है, तो उसको एक मान सम्मान देना होता है. ठीक है. Anyway. Yattanai shonnalum teri yaad avarudan yen pinangi konda magale. I want to tell you one thing, one point. Keep focused. you're moving from here to here. So I'm not able to judge. The daughter is like, once you're talking here. When you're sitting down, first you're standing and talking. When you are sitting, she's there. So that you have to remember, back of your mind. So you cannot look now at this level. It is little higher that you will look. Yes, exactly. You understand? So, yes. No, and when you are doing this, it is this. The hands on the waist. Right.
You are doing this or this?
No, it is this. It is this. How many times I have told you? You will not listen to me. That is what she means. Yattanai shonnalum teri yaad. No, the hand is on the waist. नहीं, यहाँ पे है. हाँ,
ये करने के बाद बैठ.
हाँ, तेरी याद करते तेरी याद. Exactly. And one more thing. Whenever you are doing Abhinay item, Abhinay is going to be slow, singing is going to be slow. You don't have to be loose with your gestures. So hold your gestures tight. Teri yaad aav. See, I hold the Suchi properly. I cannot. Yeah, hold your gestures properly, right? Yattanai shonnalum teri yaad aavaru ye konda magale. This is a continuous process. Yeah.
No, sir.
Magale. You take a circle, then here it is the right foot which will go. Okay. One more time and then we do first, second, third. Continuous, right? Yattanai shonnalum teri yaad aavaru ye konda magale. After this, it is Anupalavi. So you want to repeat once all the three lines, or
Last one for last. The third one again.
third one again, and then
Then
the whole thing. Okay. Yattanai shonnalum teri yaad aavaru ye konda magale. Okay, now we do the first one, then the second, continuous you will have to do. Okay, first, second, third. You
Let me
just,
do it.
yeah, you just remember it.
No. So he's sending.
It's simple. You just don't do no steps.
No step.
It's just simple.
The second one.
How many times? तेरी याद Here you have to sit and do it. The step is there. Arraignment. You look there when you say Avarudan. I'm talking about him. I'm talking about your husband. Avarudan.
Third one is
Okay. எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத yes, you are also not able to remember how many times I have to tell you. Okay. எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத ஆவருடன் கொண்ட மகளே எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத ஆவருடன் மகளே. Here you forgot. Don't die. No. पहले सीखो. எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத ஆவருடன் கொண்ட மகளே எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத ஆவருடன் கொண்ட மகளே எத்தனை சொன்னாலும். This is, we complete here the Pallavi. Now are you absolutely clear? Means definitely you need practice, of course.
Yes.
Because you, I think you have remembered what to do when to take the gestures and all and when to take it. But with the practicing part, rehearsing,
Yes.
you will be able to bring out your Abhinay more. At present it is only, you know, ऊपर से आ रहा है, वो एक डेप्थ नहीं मिल रहा है. But that वो तो रिहर्स करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद ही आएगा वो डेप्थ. बट
हाँ वो भी इसके बाद ये
किसके बाद क्या हो रहा है वो याद नहीं रह रहा है इसलिए. बट आर यू फाइन विद दिस 1 2
Yes,
and
but
3?
do it once.
You want me to do it once? Okay. எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத ஆவருடன் no, yeah. See,
हाँ
it is the first
time.
yen yen yen. क्वेश्चन ही है लेकिन हाँ yen yen yen. 3 different level. எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத ஆவருடன் கொண்ட மகளே எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத ஆவருடன் Magale Yattanai Shonnalum Theriyada Avarum Magale Yattanai Shonnalum.
So we do it twice.
Yeah.
One.
Each line
Each
is
line.
supposed to be done twice.
Twice.
Twice the first line, twice the second, twice the third line. Okay. No, but I just wanted, I'm doing it one single because I wanted to see that intensity in you.
Yes.
From one to the other. And you also should know that.
Yes.
That whether you are getting it or not. But otherwise, in a padam, in this pallavi, each line is supposed to be done twice. Is it fine? Okay. Now we will do the pallavi. First line twice, second line twice, third line twice. Okay. Yattanai Shonnalum Theriyada Avarudan Yepingi Konda Magale Yattanai Shonnalum Theriyada Avarum. Yattanai Shonnalum Theriyada Avarum Magale 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 Yattanai Shonnalum Theriyada Avarum Now see, the one thing I want to just point out, when you are doing this, see, this is an Abhinaya item, you are already into a character, already into a story. You cannot be so harsh. You are not doing any nritta portion. So it cannot be, no, it's soft. Even if the posture has to remain proper, the gesture has to remain proper, but the feet movement, the way you strike, is not this hard here. Magale. No, you do strike. You do strike. But it is not with that force. You understand this, the difference. Right? You want me to repeat this? You are going to repeat the third line.
Third line and do.
Then we do it again, right? Yattanai சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத ஆவருடம் மகளே. Here you are angry. She's turning, she's basically, the daughter is angry, right? The mother is telling her, ऐसा गुस्से से क्यों? Why you are turning away your face? Why you are so angry on him? There is no need to be angry. Okay, so you have to show that. ये तो ठीक है, लेकिन जब घूमते हो तब की बात. That you take a circle. Why you are going here and there? You take a circle. Slowly it is. मगले नहीं. ये पिनंदी. It's a continuous one. So you have steps for you. Okay, so you can take a circle. It's continuous. Here you show, and then it is this. Yattanai சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத after each line or in between, right? You are totally inside. Now you are a mother. You have transferred yourself into that character of mother. You cannot come out. थोड़ी थोड़ी देर में बाहर निकल जाते हो, अब दिव्या बन जाते हो, फिर से मदर, फिर से ये नहीं. So one thing magale. You don't have to look at the hands. यहाँ पे every time it is not necessary in अभिनय कि जहाँ भी हाथ जाएगा तो वहाँ आपको उधर देखना ही पड़ेगा. The hand will take you every time. No, not in अभिनय. नृत्य you have to do that. अभिनय मगले looking at her. Is it okay? एक बार कर लो आप. Third line. जतनै शोणालुं तेरी याद आवरुं ये पिनंदु मगले जतनै शोणालुं. So you remember the first line, second line, third line. So this was Pallavi. We have finished up with the Pallavi. Okay. We meet in the next class where I will teach you Anupallavi. Is it okay? You just remember this, rehearse this and come so that after finishing maybe Anupallavi we can give a run through to the whole Pallavi. Anupallavi.